Good morning and welcome to this new YouTube video in which I will show you how we solve little Gabriele's colic, constipation and formula additions. Gabriele came to me at the very exact age of 3 months. He was born on August 2. We saw each other on November 2, so today is the 7th, so 5 days ago. He was constipated. He was pooping once every 5-7 days. He was taking 4 additions per 90 ml of formula, and he was suffering so much from colic since the first 3 weeks. There were all the parameters that I report in the video course Just Care, Prevention of Conics and Gastrointestinal Reflux of the Newborn that you can find on my website. I explained to him, why you create an irritative and inflammatory picture at the gastrointestinal level to the mother, explaining to her all the causes obviously that lead it to become inflamed and irritated. We went to work in these 5 days on all these causes, very simple. I taught her your massage to the belly of this beautiful baby, and within really 5 days, the mother not only started to completely regulate the baby's bowel, because already from the 2nd day she started to discharge regularly. The ando is perfectly soft. Look, even with the room, how this little wren, how this belly is perfectly soft. You can squish it deeply. The baby is very quiet. And in fact, he's been discharging once a day for the last 5 days now. He doesn't endure colic, hand in hand with all the care, even in the osteo, that we were able to completely remove my formula additions. He's growing like a god. And now I'm going to show you a part of some of the techniques that we went to use on this beautiful little wren by Nove Gabriele. So, on him, as a result of irritative events and all the parameters that cause these issues, there was a really irritative picture at the gastrointestinal level, so already the palpation was super tense, super sore. Afterwards, ooh, mister, are you going to squeeze a second finger on me?
Yes.
Well, just 1 second, while we're doing the video. No smiling like you are. Okay, we went deep into the whole gastrointestinal system, assessing diaphragmatic mobility, both right and left, evaluating all the tensions at the gastric level and at the intestinal level, both at the TEN and at the colic level. These techniques have morphed into massage, into osteomassage, at my donatum and peace level, which I always teach to my little patient's mother and parents. Do you see how deep we work in treating the abdomen and donatum? To this day, fortunately, it is very soft, because afterwards, when the mother implements and you put into practice all the necessary accoutrements to unclog the stomach and the intestine, then gradually treating it, you get these results. A smooth transit and an abdomen that is really very soft. It is a baby that is well. These are part of the treatment. At the same time, we also went to treat all the costal part, so all to mobilize all the ribs to improve what is the diaphragmatic excursion, to treat all the posterior musculature at the level of the spine, also for a discourse of innervation, aid sympathetic, and finally we went to treat the cervical musculature more for a postural discourse than for the part of treating colic and constipation. Hand in hand, being a child who always had gastrointestinal difficulties, always being held because he was not well, we also increased the part of tummy time, so the time spent in the prone position, to ensure optimal motor development for the child in the pathway that we call prone 0 to heal. Lo and behold, already Gabriele was struggling just to support the testodine a week ago. To date, really, he is much improved, and from now on the game will be downhill. As mom reports, motor development is not only much improved, but he also sleeps 3 times more. Firstly, because he no longer has a tummy ache and discharges regularly. Secondly, also because he gets tired and is a short pair. So what can I say? You can cure both constipation and gas colic, and of the reborn, you don't have to resign yourself at all. Watch this beautiful little wren and come visit us at Dr-Silva.com and matasilvastro.com. See you in the next video.